Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain the NCERT questions of the chapter The Lost Child. In this part of revision, I am telling you how to write answer effectively, properly, and correctly. I am reading the question, okay, and an answer. I am telling you the needful things that you will have to do while writing answer, okay, in the exam. Question number first, you please say, what are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? So this is the question and you'll have to write down the answer. What is the question's meaning? Means what are the things that was attracting him? The second one is why does he lag behind? Means why he was not accompanied, okay? He was not able to accompany his parents. So he was easily attracted, okay, by the things that were sold, okay, uh, in the fair. So on his way to the fair, the child sees toys, balloons, or different colors of garlands of gulmohar, a swing and snake charmer, a flute. He gets attracted towards the all these things. Okay, see, so he lags behind, means he was unable to just accompany his parents. So these questions I think we have done. Question number second, you please say, means the way question is in a simple present tense. See, does is written, why does he lag behind? He lags behind, okay. uh, why? Because of the attraction, because of the likes, okay. Question number second, in the fair he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? What are the things he wanted to have? So that you will have to write down. He wants to have the balloons, he wants to have the burfi, he wants to have the jalebi, he wants to have many things that he could see in the fair, and he was easily attracted towards all those things. But he was not waiting because he knew that his parents will not purchase. This was the negative uh, uh, negativity that he has developed towards his parents. And the second point is also there, whenever he stops for watching things, he was called by his parents. Why does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? Actually, the child sees a roundabout, okay, in the fair and gets attracted to it. It is a kind of game that I have already explained in the book, and he wants to have a ride on it. He asks his parents for permission to enjoy it. Having no response on the part of his parents, he realizes that he has lost his ways. Actually, in roundabout, he stops for a while and he was totally attracted, completely spellbound there, and he wanted to ride on the horse. And when he asked to his parents, get no response, then he realized that now he is lost there. He starts crying bitterly at once and runs here and there in search of his parents. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? Because in the presence of his parents he liked everything. In absence of his parents, okay, he lost interest in everything. So this is the things he wanted his parents to be there. This is the NCERT question. You please see page number I have also written here. How to ensure to get lost? Talk about it. Okay, page number 6. How to ensure not to get lost? So it is very common that children get lost. Means it is for parents side. Fairs and crowds. Hardly a day passes, okay, when no child gets lost. It is the duty. That question you will read, okay, because the narrator is asking that what are the things we can do to avoid loss of children, okay, and the small kids. So you can also write down of your own point, and you can also take the points from here also. This is the board questions, okay, sorry, not board question, practice questions. How did the child react when there was no sign of his parents? He started crying. He started crying bitterly. The question is indeed in simple past tense. So you'll write answer also in simple past tense. Means the child started crying, okay, when he was not getting any response from his parents, and the crowd was very big, and he was unable to find any one of them. Where did the child go with his parents? Okay, what did he want there? This is the board term questions. The child went to fair. This is a very important and easy questions. Went to a fair with his parents. He wanted garlands, balloons, sweets. There, okay. He also wanted to see the snake and take a ride on the swing. So these are the answer. Why did the lost child refuse to take his favorite things in the fair after losing his parents? The child refused to take his favorite things in the fair after he lost his parents as he missed them, okay, and wanted to meet them only, okay. Now he had lost interest in all his favorite things because he was finding his parents only. There was no interest, okay, about the things he was initially interested in, because there were no the parents were missing, okay, and he could not find them, and he was crying bitterly. There was no one there to sympathize him, there was no one to console him, and he was unconsolable, okay. One man just took him in his arms and wanted to give the child, okay, lost child, everything, but the child was not ready to take anything. How was the child separated from his parents? This question you write, okay. He was just standing in the near the swing, okay, and he wanted to write, so he was, and when he asked to his parents, okay, he did not get any response. And second point is also that he was very much fascinated, he was very much tempted with the things, okay, and with the everything, okay, that was in the fair. What happened when the lost child reached the temple door? When the child reached the temple door, it is in simple past tense. So you'll write the answer also in simple past tense. What happened? So when the child reached, not reach, okay, and reaching. When the child reached the temple door, men jostled each other. The poor child struggled to thrust his way out but was knocked. Means he was knocked by the legs, okay, of the crowd, and he was trying very hard to come out of the crowd, but he was not, able to come out. So these were the problems. Who refused the lost child? Okay, who rescued the lost child? What did he offer to buy him? We don't know the name of the person who was that, but a man, okay, rescued the lost child. The man in the shrine rescued the lost child. He lifted him up in his arms and tried to soothe him, means comfort him. He took him to the nearest roundabout swing and offered to buy him flowers, balloons, and sweets. It is not seeds. It is W is missing here. So he'll do the needful correction. Parents were in a hurry, okay, to reach the fair, okay, but the child was delaying them. How? Answer. The answer is actually he was also attracted with the mustard's flower. He was also attempted with the uh, attracted with the the flies, the dragonflies. So in this way he was delaying. What was the first reaction of the child when he realized that he had lost his parents? He was frightened, panicked. This question you write. Why did not the boy wait for an answer after he had pleaded for sweets? The boy did not wait for an answer after life had pleaded, okay, for sweets, because he knew that his parents would say that he was greedy, okay, and would refuse to buy the sweets. So the way it has been written, don't write exactly. You just try to find out what is the point. The question is telling why did not the boy wait for an answer after he had pleaded for sweets. It was the reply of the parents, okay, respond of the parents that made him completely unhappy. And then very time he realized that my parents will think that I am a greedy, okay, and I am tempted with everything. So they will not purchase, and that's why he just remove just he did not wait for that. Question number next is here. What happened when The lost child entered the grove. How did he enjoy there? When the lost child entered the grove, okay, a shower of young flowers fell upon him. This is the text-based question. He began to gather the raining petals. He heard the cooing of uh, does and ran towards his parents. He had a fun filled with a splendid time, okay, in the grove. So these are the questions. More set of questions are there. You will read this, okay, from word file, and rectify your answer, write your answer in your own ways. Thank you very much.